Have you ever wondered, what if one of the world's biggest AI companies suddenly dropped more than 35%? Would you panic, or would you see the opportunity of a lifetime? Today, we're talking about Orcl Corporation and whether this could be one of the best AI stock buying opportunities right now. Let's find out. Orcl stock has fallen sharply this year. The share price is now around $126, close to a 52-week low. Many investors are asking, is Orcl broken, or is Wall Street simply overreacting? Let's look deeper. Orcl isn't a small startup. It's one of the largest technology companies in the world. Its business includes cloud computing, AI infrastructure, database software, enterprise applications. Today, many AI companies rely on powerful cloud infrastructure. Orcl wants to become one of the biggest players in this market. Even after the stock crash, Orcl is still making serious money. Here are some key numbers. Revenue, $67.36 billion. Net income, $17.09 billion. EPS, $5.93. PE ratio around 21. Dividend yield about 1.58%. These are not numbers of a struggling company. So why is everyone selling? Because Orcl plans to spend up to $95 billion building AI data centers. That's a huge investment. To help fund it, the company also plans to raise around $40 billion through debt and equity. Investors worry that these massive investments could pressure profits in the short term. But here's the exciting part. If Orcl succeeds, these AI investments could generate enormous long-term revenue. Cloud demand keeps growing, artificial intelligence keeps expanding, and Orcl already has relationships with thousands of enterprise customers. This is why many long-term investors remain optimistic. According to Analyst's average price target, $254.84. That's more than 100% upside from today's price. The highest target is $400. Even the lowest target is around $155. Remember, price targets are estimates, not guarantees. Instead of trying to catch the exact bottom, I prefer buying slowly. Here's one possible approach. Buy 30% around $125 to $127. Buy another 30% if it falls to $115 to $120. Buy the final 40% around $105 to $110, or after the stock confirms a new uptrend. This strategy helps reduce risk. No investment is risk-free. Orcl faces several challenges. Huge AI spending, rising debt competition from Microsoft, Amazon, and Google, market volatility. That's why proper risk management is essential. So, should you buy Orcl now? For short-term traders, the stock could remain volatile. But for long-term investors, Orcl looks like a company with strong fundamentals, growing AI exposure, and significant recovery potential if management executes well. Sometimes, the best opportunities appear when great companies go through temporary fear. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. If you enjoyed this analysis, hit the like button, comment your Orcl price target, and subscribe for more U.S. stock market analysis every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.